So the first thing that we need to do is we need to come in here and we need to filter through all of our tags that match our criteria. And the best way to do that is with filter. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to check the location, we're going to check the month, and then we're going to check the year. And then once we know that it's the correct location, month, and year, then we can start adding in the other the other conditions like species, like male and female, like individual hummingbirds. So how you would do this is we are going to say our table 1, and then we want to check our location, not ID, sorry, table 3, because table 3 is our visitation data. So our visitation table, and we're going to take our location, and we're going to say equals location. Enter. False. They should all be false. Let's check. If I put filter on, I can take a look in here, and yes, they're all false. That's because our location is empty. So now let's say B1. We find that we have some trues and we have some falses. So that's good because we know that we have any B1 and B2. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Now we want to do the month. Well, that's pretty easy too. We take that same visitation data table, and now we're just going to take month equals our month here. Awesome. Now if we go here, again, we should see all false, but that's all right because if we select that, we now have some in month 12, and we have some in month 2. Yep, looks good. Okay, same thing with year. So again, that same table, and now we're going to take our year column equals the year, and we're going to filter them all so that maybe we can see them a little bit better, and we have false. Okay, so now it's because it's empty, 2017, and you can see we have some true values. If we go to 2018, the true values move, but they're still there. Okay, awesome. So now we know that the location, the month, and the year are correct. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say hummingbirds. You know what? We are instead going to do and column. So what we need to now do is check to make sure that these are all true. So we'll do and we'll do each of these. So if all of those are true, we'll get a true here. So like this is true, but these are false, so it's false. And we see here, okay, true, true, true gives us true. That means that whatever tag is in this location is number, whatever that would be here. Let's see, 67. So if we come in here, visitation, and we come down probably to about 68. 66. Okay, we come down to 69 here. We see it as B1 2018 2, and we are checking for 2018 and location B1. Perfect. So it is working. Now we're going to have Excel do all of that for us. So using this and column, these conditions, we're going to filter. And we're going to use the filter function, and our array is going to be table 3. And we're going to select the tag hex. And the reason we're going to do that is because then we can use the unique function to actually count the individual hummingbirds that come to the feeder. Okay, so now in here, include. With this, we pass in an array, and it returns whatever index is true. So like the 67th index of the array was true, it will return the 67th value in that array. So here we go. We take this whole column all the way down, enter. And there we go. These are the hummingbirds that interacted with the feeder that in February of 2018 at location B1.